Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing three new trucks that I got from Spin Master. Yesterday I finally found Mix 4 and I was super pumped about that, but I only found three new trucks from Mix 4, and I'm pretty much okay with that. So yeah. So the trucks I found were Alien Invasion, Northern Nightmare, and the standard version of Captain's Curse. I did review the glow in the dark Captain's Curse from the Mix 4 Double Down Showdown packs. If you want to go see that video, go check it out, because there's no need for me to bring it out again. Because today I'm just reviewing these trucks from the singles. And yeah, so the only trucks I need from Mix 4 are Soldier Fortune Nitro Neon, Monster Mutt, Big Kahuna, Crustacean, Overcast Gravedigger. They did have that, but I didn't have enough. Well, I didn't have enough money to get 4 trucks, so I just got these 3 instead. So I'm gonna go back for the Overcast Gravedigger, and then I also need the Training Trucks Megalodon. So yeah. Oh, I just got these. We are going to start with Captain's Curse. All right, so here is the truck, and here is the figure it comes with. It could be Alex Blackwell or Pablo Huffaker, because they both drove Captain's Curse. And then the other thing I'm going to show you is the poster. So for the poster, it shows Monster Mutt getting some big air at World Finals. And then here is the front. It shows the upcoming mix, which is Mix 5. It is available already because this month is August. But I'll tell you the ones I'm pretty much excited for. Gravedigger the Legend, Bakugan Dragonoid, Inverse Trucks Higher Education, Overcast Dragon, the World Finals Nomad Avenger, Stinger Unleashed, Overcast Blue Thunder, Jurassic Attack, and Training Trucks Gravedigger. Mix 5 is probably going to be the greatest mix of the year, because, 2 brand new trucks and a bunch of awesome looking designs. Here is Captain's Curse. Good looking truck. Pretty cool to see it again. Made by Spin Master. And yeah. And there you go. Alright, so that was Captain's Curse on the turntable. Now let's bring in the Hot Wheels counterpart and get a good review. Obviously, if you look at the front end on the both of them, the Spin Master Captain's Curse has headlight and grille printing, where the Hot Wheels one does not. The roll cage is a lighter red on the Spin Master. than it is on the Hot Wheels. Spin Master's Captain's Curse has black rims, where the Hot Wheels version has chrome, and the graphics are a lot cleaner and brighter on the Spin Master, so obviously the Spin Master one is a lot better. And the other thing to point out is that the Spin Master Captain's Curse is using the Whiplash or W body. And the next one we are going to review is the Northern Nightmare. Obviously, this one decides to open better. Here is the figure. Could be Cam McQueen. So, and obviously each truck comes with the same poster, so I'm not going to show that again. Here is the Northern Nightmare. Good looking truck. Graphics look a lot brighter on this one, but I'm going to compare it to its Hot Wheels counterpart. So alrighty, so here is its Hot Wheels counterpart. So obviously there's a big difference on the front end. There's headlight and grille printing and a full maple leaf wrap on the front end on the Spin Master, where it's all plain black here on the Hot Wheels. And the other thing that the Spin Master Northern Nightmare has, which the Hot Wheels version doesn't, is that if you look closely, it says, come on, focus. Can't get it to focus, but it's supposed to say monsterjam.canada.ca, meaning this truck advertises the Canadian Monster Jam events. Obviously, brighter graphics of the Maple Leaf than where it's just all rushed and blurred on the Hot Wheels Northern Nightmare. This one just has a regular Monster Jam logo, where the older one said Monster Jam Maple Leaf Tour. On the tailgate it says Northern Nightmare with beautiful, nice wrapped maple leaf colors. It says monsterjam.canada.ca again. I don't know if it'll focus, but you guys will probably know that, since I'm sure a lot of you guys already have this already. The chrome rims are a lot nicer on the Spin Master than they are on the Hot Wheels Northern Nightmare. And then on the top they kept the 2012 Monster Jam World Finals Freestyle Champion logo. And sadly, Northern Nightmare was not a part of the World Finals main lineup this year, because I guess Northern Nightmare is going to be part of the international tour. I don't know. Who knows, but I'm sure one of these days Northern Nightmare will be making a return to the World Finals, because we know this truck is still around. It's just for some reason Monster Jam didn't give it much chances this year, so that sucks. And finally, we have Alien Invasion. Wow, that looks good. That's a good looking truck right there. Here's the figure representing Bernard Light, and here is your Alien Invasion. Nice looking. Obviously, this is the more accurate version of Alien Invasion. I'm gonna, after you get a quick 180 look at it, I will compare it to its Hot Wheels counterpart and show you why the Spin Master Alien Invasion is superior and why the Hot Wheels Alien Invasion is inferior. So, yeah. There is a lot of things I have to say about the Spin Master Alien Invasion and why it's a better version. So, this is just basically this is just to say this paint scheme right here is just like a ugly bare metal, where this is all shiny chrome painted. It's all shiny and metal painted. It's got chrome green rims, which looks really cool. It's got the Monster Jam logo down here. It says Alien Invasion on the top. It's got the green LED lights all around the body, which is something we've been asking for a while, and Spin Master thankfully did it for us, which we can't thank them enough. And then the circuits are visible, where they're not very visible on the Hot Wheels one, and the Hot Wheels one actually did not get the LED light feature around the body. They actually took that off, which was stupid. And then comparison, the front end on the Spin Master actually has LED lights around it, which looks really sick, and especially it's got the nice shiny green lights, where it's just not very nice looking on the Hot Wheels. And top, oh, here's the big difference. You got a nice transparent window on the top of the Spin Master and a nice circle. Well, the circle is not on the real Alien Invasion. They just put it in there like just to and they put green lights around it, which is nice. I guess they put it there just like to hold the window in place, which I can understand that. I mean, I'm sure this was a difficult casting to make, and you got this ugly window right here on the top. You can't really see through it. It's just like all matted in, and then you got this really weird negative line here attached to the circle. I have no idea why that's on there. That's not very nice looking. And so basically this is just a rushed Alien Invasion, where this is a casting where they took their time to make it nice. So yeah. Alright guys, so that was the first 3 trucks that I got from Mix4. I hope you enjoyed the review. These 3 trucks will make their debut in Sign Up Series number 10, and yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.